Oh wow, thank you for Masaba. Oluman for we. FBS Yachiamo baby Amobia. Oh, they've been in the system for some time. I think say time Radio Good 2002 baby FBS Oluman Bugi. You are back. Mamenda was a Badwam Mpensenpensemu bro no nkro PPJ mu anum say make out so you Ghana ni that sense of patriotism, love for your country, truthfulness, honesty and transparency and the values are SSO to me exhibit. It's very, very important. Now my car also say I have a homecoming festival 3 days na this year 30th of December and on the 31st and the 1st of January 2023 onyame chair. The biggest homecoming maiden edition I have a homecoming ehwese mpuntu ne ye betimi asasa ye ho na chache ye ho na di BBS ni so edwabo kase ye beba so agokansi awodo ye bekoso live band sessions and awards awodo ye de bema nti you can't miss out or this year nko dia achichi ni bench nyina. This is one unique opportunity nyina ebishim afibia ko na wiye no for homecoming summit the bebro nti shene so chia nananom nyina se moso mone ye nyina adwena ko benkro local organizing committee ana afi committee so a ewo eye enkrahanum si yedamu nyina mase led by Ken's Cottage can say Bechem United CEO Dr. Kingsley from Gamma that's a power for this bold initiative supported by Nana Baswa, a Council of State rep. Nana Unsia das Wadaje no nyansa ode tatu nyina no. Ably supported by a regional minister Afo George Boache, minister Bakwa also the Mpuntu in such a eba Afo pa, and a potential president in our region. Nimyam for Eric Opoku. And your wisdom port Alhaji Collins Dauda, Deputy Minister Youth and Sports Era Bobi Nimyam for Era Bano, Dr. Benjamin and Almighty Frida Prempe Munina Edamase Afo Development Association Mosho Jumedi Kasiese Eimu Frima Frida di Edamase Damase all media houses are more for Edamase pa. Especially yebe page medina won to manyame adma the 30th of a year bosumi we September enyina ehia obechem community center ni mona ya dai botai na di na page medina won to ma okwanso nkosokra tibonka ye ho. Let's prepare well na yefanji ahoho a efri achichi ni benche nyina eba afo na menkoso ma mekuromo hema Kenya ase number 1 hema educhum amrosa yako ohema chiame ene na wotweda ti wo mienko tai educhum amonsachi na bibibia ntimi nko kama emfa emaye. Bravo for we are proud because offer her lawyer, offer her businessman, offer her a student, offer her centroni, offer her first 5 baby abe fabiano bravo for ti chrese kakra kronya meni ye di ni ye pa ti krono nipa binuma Air2 Foundation emakru no mu lazy or mu boot for presidential ambitions, vice presidential ambitions, for business tycoons, members of parliament, ministers, director generals, chief executives. Mu ba ko na no pay onyame maduma benya privilege say meneno ABDD enkomo ewanum say otu obusa wo say inti bibi pa betime free Nazareth aba na ampa ababro so inti ene na muhu ni sei ade ebechi no na nsakyira ekese pa na aba lawyer in waiting monka me ho na mema yewura Eric Adjei Bono Deputy Regional Communications Officer mema no akwaba na mi chukwa mi akwaba. Yeah, proud of you. Yes, you dey know. Krofo bi su ko munya wo ama wako PSA kro no ti. Bono nya o sa na dia. Nya dia di bi dia agro kra. You are very fine. Bibi akama.
Na the way I will come my fear for no so one for
so
teach you near half.
Yeah.
Was the last 3 weeks or so? Me sana me hear some or can order more issues.
Yes.
Yes, we fear them.
Yes. Canada more
German South.
Yeah.
Nti yi ni India nke atwa ni se bi ebesan dia man no da Germany
na e akoto baby
ebeko nanka directive principle of state policy no
ayajuma
dia o kana ma mekaya de bi sisi ya University of Energy and Natural Resources Sunyane na Dr. Upuni ni nua na ye province Professor Upuni Frempong amanyo semunti yi no ekofa Nigeria ni edene beye.
Really?
Yes, check, find out. What can you see here? And I'm a transmitting you born you know just say and them or your domain need issue. Domano free.
Qualify what
or your professor, you ho na no. You buy na no mo ye ne politics. And your Ghana ni na ufi domain crew no. Yi ni si nchen. E no cry ye ne say de na mo ya advocate e wo Winneba no. Na ekofa agege Nigeria na area be can chires ye ni made in Ghana e be di made in Burkina. Yes, shame papa that thing the man is very brainy. Professor Opuni find out ko busa say bone ben and woye busa. And we have Adom health minister from the region, Ignatius Baforia employment from the region, DVLA Buzia Gayo from the region. Yeah, Honorable Kwakwasma Chairman, Ambassador to India from the region. Yeah. Kwesiami Chairman, MP Buidam Board Chairman from the region. Look at the caliber of people like wa Omontimi ansori enyi nechi. Look at it. Obekaya Sunyane Airport car hono. The BNU anameko ekosisi amenka ho asem. That is the only airport we have. Mimi krum Suma Hinkrebinio. Mebwa. But that is my region. But ye yankofo a em say baby a nananoma santefo bu ni mrebi atwam no yankofo no ntiase. Ye say de opa ade akokotoko no.
Ye ndi na bro.
Na de opa ade akobono ma de edi na bro. Ya tena ho. Ofido ma hinkru Professor Puni wa anye boni bia de o say oye boni non test before I leave. Yakofa Nigeria ni. Yes. Tension mu create wo yunen. Wo nsi university ni bi wo ho. Wo nsi bi o. Obi aye bi. Near the Ubia to know about your politics nowadays. It is better for the person to be a Nigerian than a Bono person. Where are you going? So any penny Triana cannot say $100. So the back on Nigeria. It is we now want to mention dollar and what the country them say Russia, Ukraine, Russia for one a better open. That is a country I think is here. But I think all is well. That is what is happening now in the system. And Kofo was a co-pension and co-pension near mom contractors and Kwani Guabe Meboa. You were a generation and nipe page but they will tell you some more experience. O mine, you were now a journalist. You weren't. But you have more opportunity from somewhere today look at you. And you know, oko a top institution na penny be at now 30 years. The pension time as well. A buyer contract in 2 years. Oh, your contractor, I've been a wood team or so when are they going to give their generation this opportunity to be part of the process? And they look at the security agencies. We'll be at an office 20 years. The promotion so you know. Your children were fairly say wasi abrunti because you didn't know politics in the system. Inti akwada na obeto no bob no rank no. Officer na wabeye ne boss. Would you say asumje beba institution? That is the problem we have as a nation. And I'm a politician. Ye nyina ye bobuga. Ben pipi for my yama na abroso. Abroso. And yet, go to the army. It is not easy there. Just say, din bi mu a wom de, dodo na ya mom nyina call voluntary retirement. And ya swear din be go front. Are mo kobobo. Where are they going? Are we building a nation for successful generation in future? And I say, it's like instant gratification. The benyan and the ahwa ye kra na epe. Is that what we want as a nation? And the man ko yi. Iti odi ahafo adwuma no koso anaye. What is ye tia okrum ni also tia no bi. Because ende most of Eastern region akwan o maye ho na dodo na wo. Na nka omo nkoye obo no. Ah, nko mo koyo president so frio east no cry a chemutu krobofo no nka ho half na edi say president frio executive secretary finance minister amakwanta look at the two na hwan ha na for enye mo nyina nye one zone. But look at how we treat our own. One country though, but I'm not being tribal. But I mean, say, a could be a yeah, yes, we're quite away. Go there's a university nation here, Busa. May they have a pa. Or near Bonibia. Or time. I didn't need any doctor Puni. They are not ACU Cocoa board.
Well, I have a difficulty accepting this explanation, but I'll find out.
And you want one second, Elizabeth, you're the Africa president for in a good basimco. My penny or just serving or basim. You're 2 about you could nipa 8. One more yakoda. No, my honey. Let's be real. 2020 election, you could nipa maku 8. Before I ever talk about you kum, a guy still as banda, okay? Me call banda for 2 weeks. If you go to the family, Omoyetere, Akwalano, Mame Mano, he's the only person at Wako school. No where we training college. Now Obefi. No be man penny or paid in tea. Ya won a second yakuno. What is someone penny commented? I know dear Okita condolence 5 pages and or 10 base in our copy. So UK. Ghana for na ikumomo and some be demand penny. Why wish you be Akoda? Those are the situations our mother mebrunu from when I had in a bonnet. Ntisa akwadana odi silas echi ya yikum ya ewa batu mo obi anka hwe no. Oji this asade ni trimu dem. What nation are we building? Oma yanko.
Yakasa asembia bo obi pusa, oti ase.
So nim say because dem medium. Eti ase. Yeah. It was a banisa. Yeah, my politics na time do. Very bad. Everywhere you go, victimization.
Everywhere.
We all have a story to tell, but I won't say it today. One day I'll tell you. And now, even after I can tell you. But let me say it here. The OPB fire me. But one day, I'll go out. I'll go.
Dako.
Oh yeah. Dako. So Kwame Nkrumah beji independence. Yes, wa mobra meboa. Ye ba na ye be chirechiri mo kan ho ne yes yan pedal the best celebrity on. And nipa ba ko na wu African leaders na ya ma mo metro mass. Ba wo de wan prezi de da meboa.
Metro mass the hawana.
Enhame. Hey, American president say ko ne convoy 20 moto 9 na de no. I was watching last night. E de no mo pay you turn be 3. Who they were force for the caption. Abusive mean Fox News. The caption was bad. So if you're a country like Ghana, now will be to say the likes of Kwame Nkrumah money the omo legacy ya man yosem. Ye pese nipa hu se nyo omo na je o man si honye we na ye si we na namo na ye si ya, you don't go forward. That is what we ought to learn as a country. Yembuye die. We doesn't value our own. And if you know it, because of how we are sharply divided by partisan politics, no, we are intelligent saying, what can someone need pamper? At times, your best show, which me can be now, it be a party for no craters, so and then I can. Maybe my party in Tom anymore. What is right, I'll say it. Because I came from a family before joining a political party. So the principle in my family, always they are watching me from afar. Those are the issues. So, the baby ane say no so you crew away ho.
Yeah. Okay, mamenda was ya no pay. E try ho ba. Ye ba ye beto aso. Well, Yasaba, the winner was here to come on the sword. See, make out say Adjei, Bono Deputy Regional Communications Officer at Nasia Shen, say Samuel Ipe, and Subabaka, who said, and Okane, Yensuano, a year, Mashe Bedrening. Yemra eye nkomo a efa IMF so a won so yase ne oman ni mu so isika semon to tuye ne said the situation is here. The International Monetary Fund is set to deploy another mission to Ghana in the coming weeks as the country races against time to down a bailout program. In July, a staff mission visited Ghana for initial discussions after the Akufo-Adjei administration announced its intentions to head back to the IMF for a bailout. Ghana is seeking $3 billion package from the fund. And it continues and on and on and on and on and on. We have come to go. Obi Brofo no. Are we real grounded now? Say hope be bana.
My medase. I'm saying buy a cry. A Benedict Manchia. See. Manchia Adom TV I have phone na. Teacher Micha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I'm Mami Lodina. I appreciate them a lot. Ghana funds also appreciate them. Mine IMF to deploy another mission to Ghana in coming weeks. Yamama Kwaba. All is about bailout here, Queen. I have a strong conviction, say, for now, the only remedy left as a nation is to go to IMF, as suggested by a lot of people. But for now, no. Whether I say you best succeed you, the current administration also. But I made a number of my reservations already. Initially, now, IMF, when I say Bekoyenko now share Badwam Mpensenpensemu kasa hodo anomo kano. Nanke was say you pay some neutral body be. Emo negotiate on our behalf as a nation. Okay, omra yeko IMF no. We the kai call Sinchi. Am I okay? And Sinchi na yeko ye no. Ye civil society organization, other political parties, opinion leaders, clergy will be our matter in this country. Ye fremo. Say omoma yenko ne yenko to ni hu kwan a ye betimi the economy na faso. Okay, honorable EPC time no cry na invite you Akufo am say edu omoko block in the gate mo se mo manemba na na ya wasafu man for munyi no bi amba. And that was the policy document. Yes, we are presenting the IMF for and say omunhwe we no omonso yasene ni entimi ni so. But we ya here kusisi here no. Akwese kumase basa yitu na fu bi asinsabom. IMF we na yekono. Ye hu ade ayede ko. Say ya mani deal. Say ya wa deal because oman ne den ye gina so de ko. We should have something na ni enim say no na wo se ya na enye ni ye a e de yakosi this level. What I say? Indeed, if we are going for policy credibility, these are the things I person you. But this type of IMF, no, the only and more better for say we need NDC for any DNB. Meanwhile, the same IMF now, you insist on West and on the alphabet and beer. But ye nim the NTN, you could do baby yedri. Mine if you could 2016. Sa 900 and something million facility na kwaje wa IMF no. Sika na emu die na bedu yen se na enu $400 million. It was around $300 and something million. So ye nuanom MPP4 and the budget greater proportion of the said money. It is obeka ya omoba no na e was say ye ne omo nhihye no ending in 2017 and omo extended the call 2018 rather. Okay. Ye dey afi ba akoka ho. So all those entitlements they enjoyed it. In the 2017-2018, and economy no as a muhen high kakrano. No more to praises and worship at the man and Adom. IMF for any year you free muko ye pe ya handy over the man we have the man for no any who level. So it wasn't surprising say World Bank country director and Beka say rural report or Beka say economy no na him dada na COVID ebe boom ebe expose ma ehun say na enye resilient said they no mu claim if no. So if they are coming today the government and a bit me then near maybe a go akwan we be share Ghana for Ukraine IMF for no. Omo they will come with the alternatives. But omo de ba na oye political party oye much centered in winning election some of omo discipline no omo de beba no ahwe be ka se wuntimi accept it ama okay one policy ba ko a edi yenya pa in 2016 say nursing training and teacher training allowance yes scrap ye and say omo kwaji student loan because omo nyina ye raise omo status na your tertiary status okay that policy no NDC people voted against us yeah no omo student because of how our colleagues spoke would to me ananya ya because one hwe ni ye na onwene da achi de be ye wa obekasa te said omo kasa ye no but we came out with a strong debate the entire year sir omai as at 2008 oko Dembrong Ahafo regional nursing training colleges or no 10 it was around 7 or 6 but ye fear konyaso na ye bie mako 14 account ukrom go so mu nyina dade so aba sampa drobo ni na ye bie ni bebre but san kwada na because of quota system mo nya access na ye passes amon no then omo amane anamebo at the end of the day look at the hospital facilities you see across the country because now call Dembrong Ahafo apart from the regional hospital any government hospital be a sumbi the aka in mission one Brekum Holy Family in the account but the air time district 60-bed hospital capacity
yeah
the University of Ghana the FNS in 600 nti ebi te say Bono region kwan students etimi we 1 year no school back utimi accommodate we did all this thing but the IMF no omo hye yenkura say ye nyema bi a be streamline the economy no but Paul Amantem we dey omo ye ne kroma today you are going there and now me na work say means from number mu
the conditions no more can go in under IMF and more conditions they be under argument conditions
policy document we no more the condition me so omo de na obi odi VIP kokumasi na wasi won sawam ye de no na ye de bibi ko ye de senche consensus na ye de ko odu a o so omo 3 policy omo de ko inflation omo de ko interest rate because as at today obi anim so man na debt distress ye kan oman a we debt distress e ka meno oman wonam krom na e ka meno o jiri so ko bankers no so opelo e be ma obi enu ntina ye ni access to euro bond market ni bi because ya jibisia ya ye dini ye numu ase papa obobosia we nam kalomo da be no di tua because they twa bi na odi bia rebi ba ojibisia no so odi don tosu afu a nipa na o ma ni sika ni nimsa anya hwe ntosu ne so na ote obetimi eden etua ne ka enti Ghana ye ne gidie e wa adwaman so because omuhu bra papa bia ye boso obi ma obosia obetimi atua ena me ne o ka say o my Ghana ye ka atra 400 billion uti 400 billion atra in the history of our country almost 20 years in inflation your number 33 point something 33.9 or so your fan 34 almost 20 years in ehu bida almost 20 years in your exchange rate as at now a depreciate to over 30 point something percent before COVID was 12.9% or so for the past 20 years Transparency International started here in Ejuma CPI Corruption Perception Index for the past 20 years Nanado Nenya the highest record. You been see that. And to one day oba there niema enye achievable nkwano achieve. And that is the government they are running today. On my yesterday I posted something on my Facebook wall. We are living in a country. On my remenimunia. Yet your my a liter of diesel higher than your minimum wage. Diesel. A liter of diesel. Minimum we say 14 cedis, 13 point something. A liter of diesel is higher than your minimum wage. And so when you be or no, aquatina grammar so no mafia about 3 weeks no or no across America cross anete. Busane say American minimum wage is saying. Okwe juma awesi bia yituane kasen. But the ordinary Ghanaian, yeah, COVID the bar ya tu na ketuemu 4%. Second a year 7%. Nipa krona no yato kane abuo mu 27% omahene yato ensuo buo mu 21% ene pure water yato ne 50 pesos ayi sa bela kwa nketwa na ne yato enra metobi last week meto ne 17 cedis 50 pesos enra baby meto 21 cedis
Okay.
What am I saying? So all these things, and the coming in of IMF, no, that is not the remedy. The remedy is say Badwam Mpensenpensemu now money can be ye no. One, on back at overspending. Because if you go to institutions like Cocoa Board, go to Senate. Yeah, so deputy directors, no more 2 and no more 7. Okay, sir. Yeah, go to Senate. Go. NCA, oh, Jaja.
No.
Me kasa, ma mentra wade. Aba we na ba konwa so.
Deputy
me say ko Senate. Go.
7.
Uni hana sibe o colleague MP. Okoye interview say omonko state institutions, Senate, NCA, Cocoa Board na the deputy directorship na ye creating unnecessary no. Obi akatua mante agesen. No man hene na no ada. Na na do dan kwa kufu ado betina konwa so osega na adwuma no so channel no. Oyi agric ministers no. Oyi ntosi minister, Nyadoa Perina, okay ministers oyi wa agric. They were 5 or so. And Adriana boy saying, what did they do?
Okay, so me that's Dominic is about the Ampeduka and sanity. It is only man. No washing a lot of things. And Ampeduka and sanity. Is here boy. Be careful.
Oh my, also me for man for.
How do I know see?
Na say GMPC as am no monka bi.
Jensa diana. I don't follow you come on Diana.
Oh, master take on.
Who follow you come on Diana. Yes, we will not allow anybody to shortchange Ghana.
Okay.
Until we are waiting for further documentation on the matter.
Okay.
It is only we are.
I also have enough documents.
No problem. So we can compare notes.
Yeah.
Then we can just.
They want to defraud us again.
Yeah, we can compare.
Yeah.
The fraud will be too sharp.
Na can say.
The to boss.
What did you almost want to do bone? Who say nipa e
see you need the ho.
There be when it.
You need down say I know you are calling for further documentation for us to be convinced.
Am I okay PDS.
Yeah, money is
you need a horse, okay.
Yeah, money CBM. And then before also, it is a compare notes.
Yeah, my Ghana interest.
Yeah. Oh, Bakwaba.
Yeah,
we be a number of
Adom.
They say they only say they want some about Timpa because I'm young, I'm saying, and Jimmy also say you're free gold, you're banned.
I'm saying illegal sand.
Oh, maybe
illegal. The one you know, that is
I read him in the body.
Illegal.
Illegal.
Double.
Maminchia.
21.
Maminchia, wait you for. Na minchia wait you for now.
But you need to stop illegal sand.
Because it's wouldn't say winning.
It is some kakriwa
now win some work can go. He has a baby. A chief of Fanchem, if our floor managers now
pay or contract me
medical bands and a million about time I made it finish our time I'm sooner putting
I might catch
I'm paying FFP almost at the same time. Yeah, me a piece of Kakra Fanchem. Now, which ya Nanado Danko Kufado and Abede Chiluraba with me and which ya. I use the chairman of pay. Minia, now, but say, okay about IMF issue, no, can see. One will call Sinchi, equal Seke opinion from other stakeholders and Ghanaians in general. And some work with Sinchi. You say, what the year? No, who baby out of Chowshay. And I say, we are buying near the Manga Wisipu. Na adwena wodi bo ma na esan wo friend crofo na obema wa adwene sa na titi boni bia ni ni awokoye wosencheni se sambre no na president akasa aba aboncha be kesa afedi nam no ya awe maka dompe nti ya ni hwie nyi adwena ya di bo ma no so asa nti mumi enko senchi ni enko hese obi betuma ma en adwena na enye sa ati bia na yewom yan ni entie kwa IMF ni yehu yesi yehia balance of payment support. See, a balance of payment support. We must adequate. See, I mean, this work for law school, but the laws we economics kakra. We just say, yeah, balance of payment support. So, what men won? Not near my work crafty or men no. A dross, essing near export. It's a sika inflow, cash inflow, foreign currency inflow. If ba or men a shassing near would be few or men school
for her.
Inti
eno na che say ye hia dollar bebi o men ma ye nya It sounds like no matter what say the quabruchi near cotton, near dollars baby near the banner, a sato. No muno, near yan dollar no cock crafty abruchi baby the banner and quana coso. Unti ebasana na say Muska foreign, especially in foreign currency. I feel about saying now we look at currency next struggle and only a friend balance of payment support and only a quack with IMF. Into young call for policy credibility. The same I'm do baby no now NDC are buying no. They say international organizations, Eurobond, Obia, who Obia time, nobody, even at me as Rose Committee chairman. I sat in the committee, ya ward contract. Maybe a chairman, lenders, Nesamba catching agency with the management of the economy and this time, and now they will be lazy scam. Now you buy no. One get disbursement.
Chairman of the road committee.
Yes, one get disbursement. Lenders one get disbursement. Maybe a chairman and the what bankers are fair buy economy no edge and so now they want to make disbursement. Winning contract. It was Eastern Corridor Road. Eastern Corridor Road. Oh yes, because lenders no. Contractor be catch the agency. And it's part of the economy. It's part of the economy. See, lenders no contractor be catch the agency. Lenders na end this time. What one pass one just Eastern Corridor Road. Lenders ni say the way I end this for manage the economy ninti. Want to me ma we scary be. Nti adwuma naka. Wow. Ye ba power no. And we say one konya new lenders. One day what say MPP ba ban mu no. Won go say the way I manage the economy no. So am I scanner you better me tua. Nti wo ba ma yen eno no wo de ma yen a ekoso no nti tie hwe ya kan policy credibility yen nti na ekwa IMF we have credibility na mum ye pe
I don't know monko
ye pe balance
I don't know money we na
of payment support
economics no chere ne hu pa
two me pese bi ni ati ase yen nim ye hwehwe na IMF aba abenta be ka kire nsi se ye kan the management of the economy there NDC and to MPP cry. It's say yeah, manage economy and one na mum no COVID-19 and na Ukraine Russia war no and na the abra young oh masa okasa na met.
Queen so fa kan
oh okasa na met. This is an insult.
Onwi.
No.
This is an insult.
Also pesa kasa.
Who can say me there and no parameter.
Also pesa kasa. Also pesa kasa.
And you feel me akọ senti. Me akọ bisa say then how economy. What say IMF penyo kasa na. O say only onim say senior MPP ye manage economy say wo de toto from 2017 to 2019 eno ano no. Na mum IMF sorry COVID-19 and Russia Ukraine war eno na de how abrain economy no. Nti ama yen sika so ahoden no abafem. Inti we ba support yen and inti no year mark $3 billion $3 billion no e ba ma yen sa balance of payment support na ye pe no inti mini anya fa nye ko hwa de kude how economy no ye wa binfu MPP mu owura Badwam aka ho ya tena economic management research ehun ye how yen ni say ye hia balance of payment support and IMF see ya no ba betena se yenim say mu hia balance of payment support yenim say COVID-19 ahamo yenim say Ukraine war na ahamo enti ye mo ba betena se ne ehun ko e be fa so as balance of payment support no mo nsa beka. That is exactly what IMF is talking about. Enti anya fe na ye ko se nche afọhwe ne ha economy no front and back yenim won yare na uko hospital na wanka sa uko hospital no wonim yare ha wa wo ma doctor na adwuma no eye mmere o ma no sense wonim say minya malaria symptoms eye abeta nyani na no nso ka sem gotena baby ntontom ayumi nti doctor em say jama menya malaria doctor no ebisa 1 2 3 questions no say ampa symptoms na wo kan de wiewia malaria na so be kira mo se koye malaria test wo kore positive anu abo edu exactly one my doctor na adwuma yemre ama no nti nia young MPP ye no ya ma IMF adwuma no ayemre wa ma won sense ya ka say atena se ehunu ha yen ko senchi yen ko fast stakeholders yen ko frɛ akuadonko no mu ne ade nko tena se o mo nkyerɛ ne ha economy no yen aga tena se yen fi say ye hia balance of payment support nti ye ko ka che IMF say na mo hia de a eni mukura yen nya mehia mukura no ya to $3 billion bi ato baby yen no mu hia ne yen hu sa ampa na o say this kind of mama na mo nko fa na emma mo dollar na wo man ni mu eno so hwe nansi a ye kunya sera 15 million mi na esi yentumi nko eurobond $750 million. Mo etu ekodu baby no na obi anya na age so ba mo. We African Bank wo amayen $750 million. Eba one say see na ho den asiga.
Hey,
akwaji cocoa board. Akwaji $1.3 billion. I no say cocoa seed.
Show be no mama.
No so eba obi hu ahoɔden eba seed. Ntinia onya botare na Ghana fo yesra om yande yankɔ lasmala enko bi se dan ha economy no. Ye akasa ye nim ye ha economy no. Ye hu IMF afi mu ma ye yure mfi se IMF no over country reps wa ho. Nti u kono ka kire se o economy no na me manage ni ye na mmom no COVID-19 and Russia Ukraine no and ha me say obo a woni mo be ka kire se nya
akosodi de ekoso bia na ye ni
and one more country rep and they give them information every time.
So the management of the economy and the MPPs
is better than NDC. What is happening is say IMF graduate no more so one year better say balance of payment support and yes we could 3 billion and that big economy. Okay. 1 year better no one baby we discuss sha e be ma say balance of payment support na ba e no one year kwakohia enya afi no kwakohia ye no one be say dan na ha mo wonim yanso yenim ya ka kire won na mmom no nia wo ba be yesese ni hiem ye no wo ba be ye no ye no wo ba be hiem no ahwe so ke mu hia balance of payment support. Yes, we are prepared to give you that support. But such support to 3 billion. And then here is our economy man, such support no money na Sabeka. That is what we are going to sit down with them. It is a would man me catch now. You have to say NDC. You have any work of fly. You will be abasi na better in how economy no. Ye nim management of economy and you could just Ghana from to Abama.
All right.
Okay. And our track record shows you ha and NDC am I 128% to GDP. That is at the time of before take over 2001. If you are being na a drop to about 26% to GDP. And na ye be oba so almost 60% to GDP. And na yes you be so mu kaka class say because of the abenti asen shooting akofam. When we get the support with her na mention me who are the
125 factories
established for consumption. This is what we've been able to support the private sector to do. 125 factories. Some factories work as a way you income tax, corporate tax, organizations in between. And only for consumption. I was in Parliament when the African Development Bank, Koji loan, said the loan never support the private sector. No more building factories are my 125 factories established, and the word is established in past. It means it had been done. Now, failure. It's a woman and saying regions, meaning now can have some. Now, some 16 regions, now that it was a 10 of the Eastern region. And no infrastructure development regions na ye just a regional minister be a enfam to air na media for no yes ramo se ere beto mo fa chi no ko say niama na regional ministers no ere beto to gwan e yampa na yes ya Eastern corridor e yampa yes 25 factories e yampa mo ko back na mo ko fight.
Okay, so me that
na you no mind this for no wo papa wa ba o it nya wo ba kan Ghana for Everton has run out to Abamo and work at one, but you 125 factories.
Makacho se baby Albana so be Casa, Sufu and to show. What do I need to show be at? And yet,
mine any brain soldier. Now, MPP for Niana or my dream to say the be more permanent where she shall win in Ofana coffee. Sana Mubugana for.
Maybe
imagine the way they perceive things in the country.
Especially I
was also
Mark can say my child say we say man ko dey kwa IMF akofa. And my child say yen ko senchi. Yen ni near how yen economic management team na trans. And yen who say here balance of payment support. And I will say economic students team.
What trade me economic team now?
And I might be finding balance of payment. And a balance of payment easy. When the cash inflow of a country is lower than the cash
outflow. In that class, let me talk. Mr. Member, and the matter say IMF actual 3 billion.
That's it. So what? Respond to this one.
I will respond. What's your problem?
You are not responding to the issues.
Hey, what are you saying? In fact, when you feel.
Oh my, Debbie, a Kasani, me buba.
Old age.
Debbie, a proverbial language.
I know. Yes. I know, but I
Ghana economy, import driven economy. You can't import driven economy. Omaya and Yamadoua Udina, no yede, okra, and ameboa. You knew this in opposition. And until na mo ye campaign mo ka kire Ghana for say ye be move economy from taxation based to production based economy. Let me talk. Economics to. That is why you said so in opposition.
Yes, we've done it.
And now what are you producing? Because if today
a confused juice.
What am I? If today say you crab tomatoes $99 million from Burkina alone. If today starch bunches you hear starch the and sana the other you crabby free China bunch. If today you cram punch if free Mali ni Burkina Google say you cram punch in very good see a crown moba. Into one production based economy now can now understand this thing. If today sugar need in 2016 are multiplied by 2. If today I say inflation I guess the na aba what check indicators now you say ama enema bo kosra you see grapes and to say you see a production based economy you intimi produce grapes and a sunflower oil you intimi ye anwa ye be di wa ba you ye production e bumi ye ma factors are and a seminar liquid soap money de keka ho. But oko local areas ye nim say maamefo yiye bi. But ene no de Ghana for kan ne say wa betina konwa so 6 good years. O see we create enough factories. Why employ a lot of Ghanaians? In the history of our country for the past 10 years, after na unemployment rate I hit 13.4%. Inti momo factories nipa ene ye mu adwuma na ye hwan ma. Oman ubi adwuma na unemployment was system now fa nipa eso ye den. But the other people who more creative job unemployment grow. A logic. The otifie ni hweme. Because we are in a system untimi manage yesikasem. Dollar etiatua na another. The conversation changed. You started free $750 million facility from Afrism. Oh, sika na ba dollar na be drop it. Sika na kobo for much e dey review. Dollar na da sen.
Omun change.
Me ba e da sen dollar na da sen. 10.3. Bisa unia dollar no. Afrism by how many weeks ni? Sika me hiti ye nyina na omo body omo hiti ya 37 kura ko cap oh ja e me kire me economics me your target omo sit down me person me kire
opportunity to respond to some of the lies
then I work afism ne buy no say e ko be 3 to 1 month dollar na speed na na dey ko ebiem o ba be ka say IMF comments now pass far omo ho ne kire say the economy is booming and then omo heni yemfa nkofom na me na nakosi atwene wante wase me kwa akwaje besia e wo me krom bank suma rura bank besia na me kwaje ni metua ne bank ana me boa enti se bank ne ka asembo ne de fa me ho a e bi adwumadie mpo a me di kodi no me nya nipa ma ne patronize me product na boso me nsia nso so a me start den I repayment eden na IMF
ka asema na munyina mudi
eden na IMF ka fa Sri Lanka economy me ba eden na mo ka fa omo ko pesika no. Then what did they say? Yamfa momo. And Sri Lanka economy. President no kwa omfiso. So the issue is there's no way my in kwabnansa antibet na multimedia. Ha no gina ketua mame kasa honorable. You know I respect you. I respect
you. Don't.
I respect
you. Don't.
Obu papa.
Omumi.
Come do to be true rough. O ma remember multimedia. Say how na you pay.
Yeah.
Obetimi atena ha. Aka asem na fa multimedia.
Ebedi.
It's a simple logic. It's nipa na meba ena baby a oh let me talk
ade e kwachiwa ebetimi aka but ade say otna ha no
IMF wo so say Ghana your economy ni ya IMF old minga
they can say it
over kwesi chuma private businessman ono ne bankers na money sika di shemu adwuma no kosoro na wo one morning wa betena ha ana bankers no muti ho se multimedia nya adwuma pa ebegu no a simple understanding wey here economics
of payment support
ja de okan yani mu nyina ye tiase stop it what is this honorable meba omayene wo betena ko so within 6 years euro bond we raise 3 billion sa wo na be 12 billion want me amfa mobra afei na also compare 3 billion why me yam fan show say euro bond for 4 mills rolling Mahama so they to 4.5 billion
Can I mention o man here say you Ghana hey
o contract we be aka mu
na company be be na nya almost America it's different from say what can some money
now what make can some money who doesn't know the economy
okay
so get one
that's it but omunya no muntia mo contractors ne ka
thank you so much
who say so yeah me carry on